Welcome back. Here we are on Friday, April 17. So you should be okay on this one. And we've got these two formulas we can use. And they give me these crazy problems with this sigma. This is the Greek letter sigma. And it means the sum. So this is just another way for them to tell you they want S to the N. And look, this appears to be in this form, which means the first term is 3. We want you to read it. The common ratio is 4. So think about this. I know the first term and I know the common ratio. All I need to find is N. And to find it, we subtract the top number, 6, and the bottom number, 1. And then we add 1. So N is 6. And then I'm going to do that formula right there. The sum of the first 6 terms is the first term, 1 minus R to the N power, and 1 minus R. And just so we don't get lost on anything, we've been doing this anyway. There we go. That's better. 3, 1 minus 4 up to the 6th divided by 1 minus 4. Please use parentheses and it'll calculate this 4,095 and we're done. So that should be okay on that. Let's jump down and get 42, whatever it is. On 42, they write it a different way. And they just want the sum. That's 8, since we know there's 8 terms. So we're going to use the same formula that we just used. Let's plug them in. The first term is 36. 1 minus R to the 8th power, 1 minus R. Okay, let's calculate it. How about 36, parentheses open, 1 minus, I'm going to put this 1/3 in parentheses so I can't goof it up. Ooh, that's a crazy answer right there. And it happens to be right. Let's see if it'll do a fraction for us. That's funny right there. So either one of those works for me. 53,991,76955. Don't round it. I will count it wrong if it's rounded. And there's that one, we're good on it. Okay, and that's 42. So we did 11 and we did 42. Let's look at 47 through 50. And let's see if one of those looks particularly bad. They don't. So let's, I don't know, let's do 48 just to have one to do, and then y'all can do the rest of these. Okay, 48, we've got the summation again. Well, this is A1 and that's R. They just gave them to you. And then n is the top number minus the bottom number plus 1. That's going to be 8. And then my formula, there it is right there. 1 minus r to the n and 1 minus r. And I want the sum of the first 8 terms. Okay, there's the first term. 1 minus negative 2 to the 7th. To the 8th. And down here 1 minus r. I got 2 negative signs in a row. You could enter this wrong. You better be careful. How about, let's put everything in its own parentheses. 1 minus negative 2 up to the 8th. And down in the bottom, let's divide by 1 minus negative 2. This way I can't goof any signs up. 255. Okay, wouldn't be a bad test question right there. I'm pretty sure I think I put this on the Pretty P kids. A lot of them were getting negative 257 because they missed a sign in here somewhere. So just enter that thing exactly, and you should be okay on that. Okay, and now let's just give you a picture of all these. Okay, 11 and 12 were right here. I did 11, so you do 12. That's the first one. 42 through 45 are right here. I did 42, you do 3, 4, and 5. And then these fork along the bottom. I already did 48, so you do 47, 49, and 50. And it will be due Monday night at midnight, and you should be good. Over and out. Have a good weekend.